Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. I am excited to try out, I got some new stamps. So these stamps are by Creative Expressions, and Tailor Made Journals actually designed these stamps and worked with Creative Expressions. And I'm so excited to support. I follow her over on Instagram. And if you haven't heard of her, make sure you go check her out, and on YouTube as well. But she also makes regular like wooden block stamps and sells those. But this was so she's so excited that she got the connection to work with this company and actually make these sets. So I think there's 4 different stamp sets. There's some stencils, and then there's a 8x8 pad of paper. So I got 2 of the stamp sets. This one is Haute Couture, and this one is the Dressmaker. And this is so her style. I'm really excited to give these a try and see how they perform. I'm trying to decide which one I want to start with. I think I'll start with this one. And let's see, I'm trying to think. I think it was scrapbook.com is where I got these, but Simon Says Stamp also has them, and there's some companies over in Europe, a couple different companies that also are selling them for those of you that live in Europe. And I'm excited to check these out. So I think I'll start. Sorry for the noise, you all. I haven't primed them or anything, so we'll see. So I have some coffee dyed paper or tea dyed paper, some white paper, and kind of an off-white paper. And I got a few different, got me some paper towel there, a few different colors of ink to try as well. I'm trying to find my black, because I definitely want to do black ink on a couple of them. My desk is such a mess. Here it is. Okay. And I'm going to start with the white paper. Let's see how it does. Put my glasses on. Oh, and I need to put something underneath this. Nice. I need some more ink for sure. And I want to put something cushy underneath here. All right, I got my stamping station out. That might work a little bit better. Okay, that's better. Still a little light up here. I think you just have to get these stamps primed up. Look at that. Very pretty. Very pretty. I like it. I'm going to try that perfume bottle, I think. Move my paper around. Try that right there. The lighting's okay. It seems dark in here today. Oops. Wow, the detail. Can y'all see that? So pretty. I'm going to try a different color on this one. I'm going to try saltwater taffy. Still had a little bit of the black in there. But that's still very pretty. I'm trying the lady next with milled lavender. Oh, that's pretty. Might put a little bit more on there. These stamps are such good detail. Really good detail. Oh, look at that. And I love that milled lavender color. Gorgeous. Next, I am trying this frame with speckled egg. Nice detail. Very cool. And with this, you have this stamp here that is separate that you can put in the middle, but then these two you could also put in there, and the woman you could fit in there, maybe the perfume bottle too. So that's kind of neat. So I'm going to try this one next. And the speckled egg again. Nice. The quality of these stamps are very nice. Try the last two on this set in prize ribbon. Gorgeous. And I find that using a baby wipe kind of removes some of the stickiness, and then ink it up and then wipe the ink off. That kind of helps prime these. Alright, let's try the other stamp set. I did not stamp them very well, but you can see just how pretty they are. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's the next stamp set. It's called the Dressmaker. And I love these scissors and these threads, bobbin threads. So pretty. So I'm going to do the scissors first, and I'm using Dusty Concord. Alright, I need a little more ink on there. So pretty. And I'm using more of a cream colored piece of cardstock. Alright, I'm trying the Dressmaker now and Salvage Patina. Absolutely stunning. Oh, that's gorgeous. If this Victorian, is it shabby chic? I don't know. Style is for you, then you need to get these stamps. They're so fun. Alright, trying the next two. I'm sticking with Salvage Patina because I thought it was just so pretty. Love it. love all the French wording on here. And these are, she's made these from originals that she had, which is very cool. I am so excited for Lorna. Lorna, these stamps are really nice. Alright, there's 2 more to try. Alright, we have the spools of thread and another little saying in Kitsch Flamingo. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Yeah, like I said, so this is not sponsored in any way, but you can get them at scrapbook.com. Simon Says stamp, and a few other places that I don't know off the top of my head. And the stamp sets, I think they were around $20 something. So similar to what other stamp sets cost. So let's relook these. Here's the first set. And this one's a little ghosty because I think the paper moved on me. And this one's called Haute Couture. And then this one is the Dressmaker. The scissors, look at that. And I love the spools of thread. It's hard to pick a favorite. This one might be my favorite, and then that one maybe. I don't know, I really like her too. And the perfume bottle, I mean, just look at that detail on there. Anyway, check out Tailor Made Journals by Creative Expressions. And these are 2 of the 4 stamp sets. And then she also has stencils and a pad of paper. And I highly recommend them. Very nice. Nice job, Lorna. Congratulations. Alright, that's it for today. I just wanted to share these stamps with you all and test them out. And yeah, I'll see you all on the next video. Remember to like and leave a comment. Thanks so much. Bye.